Current hex cost certainly is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Hex cost examination generally is negative today, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. First help level for hex in every practical sense is at $0.030, which basically is genuinely critical. 22 June 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through hex cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part clarified pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is genuinely transient cost expectation for hex? Certainly is hex a by and large wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Hex help and opposition levels and so on. So hex cost examination sort of is negative today in a by and large significant manner. Yet prior to jumping truly profound into the hex specialized examination, truly let us in a real sense discuss the really current economic situations, which basically is genuinely critical. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,171,633,916,656 in an unobtrusive manner. The in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $45,387,585,410, or so they by and large thought. Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in a for the most part enormous manner, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,107.16 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.19%. coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours, showing how the especially all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $45,387,585,410 in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.14, and as of now exchanging at 50 cents. Exceptionally further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time span, which truly is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a sort of descending heading for fundamentally present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how the all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $45,387,585,410 in an essentially significant manner. Right now, a genuinely broad, most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers most certainly become certainly more really dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which most certainly is very critical. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers generally move pretty dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of hex. Hex execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day outline of hex, by and large shows that the hex cost for the most part has a really descending development, with a 1.19% reduction in sort of beyond 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The value worth of the hex coin truly is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, So XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.14, and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, kind of additional appearance. How while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, which in every practical sense shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.45 following a value change of 2.13% within a similar time period in a fundamentally large manner. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for 22 June 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, for the most part made sense of underneath, which especially is genuinely critical. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal assembly and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving most certainly normal, EMA, to really examine the future development of the Hex, which especially shows that first help level for Hex sort of is at $0.030. Especially in spite of prevalent thinking. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid. So Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path and in every way that really matters, significant way. Hex financial backers need to, in every practical sense, hang tight for any directional change over the by and large day-to-day diagram, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 49.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, or so they generally thought. Hex explicitly has a scarcely the closest opposition of $0.036, or so they for the most part thought. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would truly support the upswing energy, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.19%, coming to $1,887.55 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how the truly all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $45,387,585,410, which generally is genuinely critical. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at $0.039, exhibiting that Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is floating around 3,730,000.